This video demonstrates the new image clone capability available in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.5. We can now clone an image in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise to create multiple copies of the source image. This is helpful for images prepared as a starting point for other images, possibly to build different host pools or remote applications. We can now make multiple copies of an image and then modify the copies. To get started, the source image, the one we're cloning, must be stored in an Azure Compute Gallery, previously called Shared Image Gallery. If we try to clone a managed image not stored in Azure Compute Gallery, we get an error message that the maximum count is 1 with the image's current geographic distribution. From an image stored in an Azure Compute Gallery, we go to Clone. We'll set the count. This example will create 3 copies. We'll provide a naming format. We can give it a prefix where random characters are added at the end, or set a pattern. From here, we have the same set of options for creating cloned images as we would if we were creating a new image. We can add our images to an Azure Compute Gallery. This option will add a new image definition for each image copy. Or we could leave this option off to create managed images not stored in Azure Compute Gallery. Once we have the settings in place, we'll click OK. That will start the cloning process. That is how to clone an image stored in the Azure Compute Gallery in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.5.